how to find saved reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find your saved reels on Facebook? Then you're in the right place. So, first things first, open up your Facebook app. And firstly, I'll teach you how to save reels if you don't know. So, scroll down and you'll see list of reels. Tap on the reel and then you'll see three buttons on the right hand side. Tap on it. There you'll see save video option. So now your video is saved. Now to view it, you have to go to menu and there you'll see saved. Tap on it and there you go. The video that you recently saved is here. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.